One day, a curious girl named Lily found a hidden path in the forest near her village. The trees sparkled, and the air smelled sweet. This is no ordinary forest, Lily thought. Suddenly, she heard a voice. A squirrel wearing a tiny purple hat appeared. "Hi. I'm Nutty. You've found the magical forest." Lily was amazed. "A talking squirrel?" Nutty grinned. "Follow me. Someone special wants to meet you." They walked to a shimmering lake, where a wise owl with silver feathers waited. "Welcome, Lily," said the owl. "I'm Oliver, the forest guardian. We need your help." "What can I do?" asked Lily. Oliver explained, "The heart tree is losing its magic. We need the golden star from the crystal caves to save it." Lily agreed and followed Nutty to the caves. Inside, the walls sparkled with crystals. At the center, she saw the golden star. But a mischief goblin blocked her way. "You can't take the star unless you solve my riddle," the goblin said. Lily nodded. The goblin asked, "I fly without wings, I cry without eyes. What am I?" Lily smiled. "You're the wind." The goblin stepped aside. Lily took the star and rushed back to the heart tree. When she placed the golden star on its branches, the tree began to glow brightly again. "Thank you, Lily," Oliver said. "You've saved the magical forest." Lily smiled as she headed home, knowing she could return to the magical forest whenever she needed.